Out of a backpack for 7 years, Cuban nurse Lázaro lives day by day, cleaning homes, cooking, and hiding from the police. He doesn't want to be identified, terrified of arrest, because he doesn't have the proper documents.
En Venezuela no quiero seguir viviendo.
I don't want to continue living in Venezuela because of the insecurity. Now I have to hide like a prisoner so the police don't arrest me for not having papers. My passport isn't stamped, and if I'm detained, I will be jailed, and no one will help me.
Lázaro defected from Venezuela's social health program, a deal sealed by late President Hugo Chavez and Cuba's President Raúl Castro. Venezuela sends billions of dollars in oil. In return, Cuba sends thousands of medical staff. Over a decade ago, this social program became the cornerstone of late President Hugo Chávez's socialist revolution. That's when the Cuban doctors arrived to give health care to Venezuelans who didn't have it. A South Florida group called Solidarity Without Borders claims nearly 8,000 Cuban doctors have fled from Venezuela. Cuban doctor Dorian Fernandez agrees many doctors have defected. He says the number is not important.
It's true that some doctors have abandoned the social program, but the number is insignificant. We are more than 70,000 doctors here. Over 100,000 have come and gone. We have saved thousands of lives. Mortality rates have gone down. So few leaving will not affect the greatness of this work.
Thousands of poor Venezuelans living in slums or rural areas get free health care in these clinics run by Cubans. Isimeri Rivero says the Cuban doctors have made a difference in her life.
It's excellent. I always come here because I can get good care. I've never had any complaints. The doctors are wonderful.
The Cuban professionals have low salaries and are forced to stay in Venezuela for as long as both countries decide. But Lázaro wants a better future.
Estoy varado como un barco.
I'm like a boat stranded in a huge ocean without a rudder, unable to go left or right. I've lost 9 years of my life here thinking that my decision to leave the program was better for me, but it's been a nightmare.
Lázaro says unemployment, solitude, and desperation is the price he has been forced to pay for his dreams. Mariana Sanchez, Jazeera, Caracas, Venezuela.